Hi dear students, this is myself RK, IIT Maths faculty. Today we are going to discuss Jan 28th morning shift to IIT JEE Mains problem. Let us start today's class. See students, now you are seeing one of the problem on the board which belongs to complex numbers. So here the given data is So here Z1 complex number is root 3 plus 2 root 2i. Then you find out the modulus of this complex number. That value will be square root of 3 plus 8. So that value will be root 11, like that. And one more condition is given. So the given condition is root 3 into mod Z1 is equal to here mod Z2. Then already mod Z1 already we got it. So that is root 11. You should write here root 3 into root 11. That value will into. So that is equal to here modulus of Z. So that will be root of 33 is the modulus of second complex number Z2. And one more given condition is argument of Z2. You bring this one this side, means you will get minus argument of Z1 is equal to here pi by 6 is given. So then we have one formula, argument of Z1 Z2 minus argument of Z1. So that is argument of Z2 by Z1 is given as pi by 6, nothing but 30 degrees. Means angle between the complex numbers Z2 and Z1 is given as 30 degrees. So 30 degrees, okay, right? So then you draw the coordinate axis. So these are the complex numbers. So this one is Z2 complex number, this one is Z1, so this is the origin, okay? And the angle between those two complex numbers is given as 30 degrees. And this length is given as root 11. And this length is actually root 33. Then is asking in the question, what is the area of the triangle OZ1, Z2? So this triangle area we need to calculate. Like that they asked in the 28th Jan shift 1 session. Then you see this one. So area of triangle OZ1, Z2. The formula will be half mod Z1 Z2 into sine theta. That's why this is half into, this is mod Z1 value is, we got it as root 11. This value will be root 33 into sine theta. What the theta value? So here 30 gives them sine 30 1 by 2. That's why, so this value will be 1 by 4 into root 11. Root 33 can be written as root 11 into root 3. Then this can be written as 11 root 3 by 4 is the area of triangle. Dear students, yes, this is a question from definite integration. This is equal to this, and one under this condition f of 2 is equal to 3, then find the value of f of 6. Such kind of problems, so they asked n number of times in previous JEE Mains exams also. Okay, right? So here see that whenever we have two functions left and right, apply derivating on both sides. So take a derivation on both sides. That means if you take a derivation on both sides, derivation integration symbol get cancelled. Now in the place of this t, you take the upper limit, so that you will get x into f of x is equal to here. So we are doing derivation now. Then here derivation of x square into f of x, like that. So this is UV rule. That's why this is here x into f of x. If you apply UV rule, write the x square as it is. Derivation of f of x is f dash of x plus Derivation of x square is 2x into f of x. Like that we can write. Then you see that these both are like functions. These both are like step. That's why bring this value this side so that you will get x into f of x minus 2x into f of x is equal to here x square into f dash of x. So after simplification, then you will get minus x into f of x will come. That is equal to here x square into f dash of x. Then we can cancel one x here so that you will get minus f of x minus f of x is equal to here one more x into f dash of x. So then see that you bring this x value this side, take f of x to this side. That means this is minus 1 by f of x is equal to here f dash of x by bring this f of x right side, that will go in the place of denominator. Then you take integration, then apply integration on both. That means integration of minus 1 by x dx is equal to here integration of f dash of x by f of x. So this value will be minus log x plus log c. So as per the formula, this value will be log of f of x. So now it is in the form of log m minus log n. That's why log of m by, that is here c by x is equal to here log of f of x. So log get cancelled. So the value of f of x we got it as c by x. Now so here one condition is given. So here f of 2 is there. That's why put in the place of x2 so that you will get f of 2 is equal to c by 2. But f of 2 value already given. F of 2 value already given as 3. So this is 3. So 3 is equal to c by 2. Do cross multiplication. So the value of c is 6. Now see that this is called equation number 1. Put see that according to the question we need to find out what the value of f of 6. That means now in the put in the place of x 6 now in equation number 1. That means so in this equation number 1, now you have to take in the place of x6 so that you will get f of 6 is equal to here c by 6. But c value already we got it. So the value of c is just 6. That's why f of 6 is equal to 6 by 6. So the value of f of 6 is equal to 1. So this is the answer for this question. Dear students, so this is one more question from 2D geometry. Once you see the question carefully, in triangle ABC, A point is given, B point is given, C point is given. So those are the vertices of triangle ABC. And he told that x comma y be a locus of the triangle ABC, and that step is equal to alpha. Then find the value of alpha, he said. Okay, right? So so he told that x comma y be a locus point of triangle ABC. Okay, so then after that, students, so this is a question from 2D geometry. So as per the given question, A, B, C are the three vertices of triangle ABC, and that triangle centroid is given as locus, and that is a given condition. Then is asking what the value of alpha. So here generally already what they are given here, x comma y be a locus of centroid of triangle ABC. Locus of centroid of triangle ABC. So then you find, so apply the centroid of the triangle ABC formula. So this one plus this one plus this one by 3. That means 4 sin theta minus 2 cos theta plus 2 by 3, comma, and this one plus that one by 3. That is what 4 cos theta plus 0 and plus 2 sin theta by 3. Like that is given. Then equate the coordinates. So and you do cross multiplication. So 3 into y 3y 3x, as well send to this side. That means minus 2 is equal to here 4 sin theta minus 2 cos theta. Okay, then you do squaring on both sides. So if you do squaring on both sides, you will get 3x minus 2 whole square is equal to this value will be 16 sine square theta plus 4 cos square theta minus 16 sine theta cos theta value will come. Similarly, whenever you compare these two pairs, so you send 3 this side, you will get 3y is equal to here 4 cos theta and plus 2 sine theta. Here also do squaring on both sides. So if you do squaring on both sides, so that you will get 3y whole square is equal to it in the form of a plus b whole square, 16 cos square theta plus 4 sine square theta plus 16 sine theta cos theta. It's called equation number 2. This is called equation number 1. Now add these both equations 1 plus 2, so that you will get 3x minus 2 whole square plus 3y whole square is equal to, whenever you add this both the steps, if you add this step and this step, minus 16 sine theta cos theta plus 16 sine theta cos theta get cancelled. Then here 16 sine square, so from these both the steps you take out 16 common, and sine square cos square is 1. Similarly, here 4 is there, here also 4 is there. Take the 4 common, then sine square theta and cos square theta value will be 1. Okay, so this value will be 20. But as per the given statement, he is taken this entire value as alpha. So alpha value is 20. Right, so this is the question for this answer for this problem. Yes, students, this is the question from inverse trigonometry. So this entire step is equal to how much they asked. First of all, so we know one formula, that is sine inverse of x. You take this one as x, this one as y, then sine inverse of x plus sine inverse of y. This value will be sine inverse of x into root of 1 minus y square, y into root of 1 minus x square. Formula is there. So this entire step is looking like this formula. Then apply this formula, so that you will get here cos of, so this is here sine inverse of x, that is 3 by 5, root of 1 minus y square, 25 by 169, plus 5 by 13, square root of 1 minus 9 by 29, plus 25, plus whatever the side sinus of 33 by 65, right as usual. So after simplification, then you will get sinus of, so this is here 3 by 5, 144 means 12 by 13, plus this is 5 by 13, 60 means 4 by 5, plus sine inverse of 33 by 65 will come. So this value will be here cos of sine inverse of, this value will be 36 by 65 plus 20 by 65. So this total value will be 56, right, totally. So 56 by 65 will come. So this entire simplification will be this much after taking LCM, plus this is sinus of 33 by 65. Now you convert this or this in terms of cos. So make the triangle here like that you can take. So this is here 56, this one is 65. So as per the Pythagoras theorem, so if you find out the cos inverse, you will get the cos inverse value as 33 by 65 plus sinus of 33 by 65. As per the inverse trigonometry formulas, this entire step is when sin inverse and cos inverse having same angle, so that entire value is equal to 90, pi by 2. So cos 90, 0. This is the answer for this problem. Dear students, so this is the question from application of integrals, also called as areas. So this is the parabola, this is the straight line, this is the vertical line. Okay, right? And y is equal to 0, nothing but x-axis. First to draw the coordinate axis. Then, so here the parabola is, y is equal to x square plus 1. And the straight line, this is called equation number 1. This is called equation number, and the line is y is equal to 2x plus 1. This is called second equation. Okay, right? Then after that, I see that. So we can draw this parabola on the coordinate axis as like this. Okay, so this length is actually 1. So this is 0 comma 1. This is 0 comma 1. Okay, right? Next one is, this is looking like y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to mx plus c. That line will be like this. And here mod is then negative line, like this will come. Okay, and these are the point of intersection of parabola and the line. First solve them. If you solve these two lines, you will get this intersection point will come. So solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. That means in the place of y, write this pattern. This is here x square plus 1. So in the place of y, I'm going to write x square plus 1. This is equal to what here? 2x plus 1. This both are get cancelled. So here x square minus 2x is equal to 0. X common. X minus 2 is equal to 0. So one x value 0 and other x value 2. So this is actually 0. One x value 0 and other x value 2. So this is the one of the vertical line. So this equation is actually x is equal to 2. And in the problem, he is given mod x is equal to 3. That means x is equal to 3, one of the vertical line, and x is equal to minus 3, the other vertical line. So this is the 3. So this is x is equal to 3. Okay. So this is x is equal to minus 2. This one is x is equal to minus 3. Like that. So this area, this entire area, we need to find out. This total area. And this way area also. This area plus this area. So this is the symmetric figure. Whatever the area of this much, even so this region, say this region area and this region area will be same. So if you want to calculate the total region area, first you find out the area of this region, then multiply with 2, so that you will get this entire region area will come. First you find out the area of all this region. Means 0 to 2, 2 to 3. 0 to 2, 2 to 3. So these both the parts areas we need to calculate. That's why. So here area is 2 times of. Why I am writing 2? Because we have this figure is symmetric figure. That's why this area plus this area. First you calculate this area and multiply with 2. Then you will get this total area will come. So here 0 to 2. Integration of 0 to 2. In this interval, this parabola curve is involved. So what the parabola curve here? X square plus 1 dx. Plus from 2 to 3, this line is involved. So this is 2 to 3. What the line here? Where the line is 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1 dx. Like that. Then after that, then we need to do calculation. So this is 2 times of, so integration of x square is 1 by 3 into x cube, 0 to 2, plus integration of 1 is x 0 to 2, plus integration of 2x is x square 2 to 3, plus integration of 1 dx is x 2 to 3. So after simplification, you will get, so this is here 2 power 3, that is 8 by 3, plus this is 2, plus this value will be 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4, so write directly 5, plus this value will be 1, like that. So this is equal to here 2 times of 8 by 3 plus 8. So take 8 common, so 16 will come, 1 by 3 plus 1. So after simplification, you will get, so 3 plus 1, that is 4. 4 into 16 is 64 by 3. square units. So this is the answer for this problem. Yes, dear students, so this is the question from definite integration. So such kind of questions also asked in the previous JMINS examinations also. First you take this function as I, then you apply, so one formula is there, integration of a to b f of x dx. That is one property, integration of a to b. In the place of x, so you should take sum of two limits minus x dx. So this formula, now I'm going to use this question. Okay, right? So this is called equation number 1. Then so here, so when I apply this formula, so that you will get minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2, 96. Now in the place of x, now I am going to add sum of these two limits minus x. If you do sum, 0, 0 minus x, minus x, minus x whole square, x square, like that. Cos of minus x, cos x, that means cos square x by 1 plus e power. In the place of x, I told sum of two limits minus x. That means 0 minus x minus x dx, like this will come. So e power minus x can be written as 1 by e power x. 1 by e power x. Take LCM. That e power x will come upside, e power x into 96x square into cos square x by, so this is e power x plus 1 dx. This is called equation number 2. Okay, right? So now if you add 1 plus 2, if we add 1 plus 2, so I plus I is 2i is equal to, whenever you add both the steps, integration symbol common along with limits. And also what is common? This entire part is common. This part and this part is common. So if you take that one common, 1 plus e power x is remaining. So that means 96 into x square cos square x by e power x plus 1 is common. So this entire step is gone. So e power x is remaining plus this entire step is gone, 1 remaining into dx, like this. Then these both are get cancelled. Then 96 is constant right outside. So this is here 2i is equal to 96 integration of minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. And you will get here x square into cos square x dx. Now I am going to apply one of the property. Now in the place of x, if you take minus x, again you will get the, so this is the actually even function. This is the even function. If we have even function, write the 2 and you make a lower limit as 0 as per the property. So x square into x square and cos square x dx. Okay, this to get cancelled. Then here I is equal to here 96 integration of 0 to pi by 2. We can write the cos square x as 1 plus cos 2x by 2 we can write. So this 2 will go 2 4 jar 2 8 jar 48. So here I is equal to here 48 into integration of 0 to pi by 2. This value will be x square plus x square cos 2x dx, like this will come. Now, so after simplification, I'm doing here. So this is here I is equal to 48. Then you divide the integration symbol for individual function. Then you will get, so this is here 48 integration of 0 to pi by 2 x square dx plus 48 integration of 0 to pi by 2 x square into cos 2x dx. Okay, right? So here I is equal to here 48. This value will be 1 by 3 into x cube, integration of 0 to pi by 2. Okay, right? So after that plus 48, this integration by parts, this is UV rule, integration by parts. As per the integration by parts, so here you write the x square as usual. Now integration of cos 2x is sine 2x by 2 with limits 0 to pi by 2 minus integration of 0 to pi by 2, derivation of x square is 2x into sine 2x by 2 dx, like this will come. So this will go 3 1 jar 3 6 jar. Then here I is equal to here 16 into substitute in the place of x. So this is actually pi cube by 8 will come. Pi cube by 8. This is pi cube by 8. This is actually then plus 48 into. So now if you apply the limits here, this entire part will become 0, and this two also get cancelled. So your minus will come, minus of again this integration by parts. Again this is integration by parts. So x into integration of cos to x is minus sine to, sorry, integration of sine to x is minus cos to x by 2 with limits 0 to pi by 2. With limit 0 to pi by 2. After that minus then integration of 0 to pi by 2. Now, so derivation of x is 1 into, this is here cos to x. This is here cos to x by 2 dx. Like this will come. So this is here I is equal to s. So this will go 2 times 2 pi cube plus 48 into, multiply minus inside, this will be plus. Now in the place of x take pi by 2. So this is here pi by 4 will come. Pi by 2 by 2 pi by 4, and cos 180, that is minus 1. Cos 180 is minus 1. After that, so this is here minus. Whenever you integrate it, then this cos will become sine. So whenever we have sine with the upper limit value pi by 2, that entire function also will become 0. Okay, so that you have to leave it. So this entire part is 0. This whole part is 0. Then you will get see students here. So this is I is equal to here. This is 16 into, in the place of x take upper limit, then you will get here pi cube by 8 will come plus 48 into. So whenever you keep in the place of x pi by 2, this entire part will become 0. Then this minus into plus, this is minus, and integration of 0 to pi by 2, x into sine to x dx will come. Okay, so then after that, so this will go 2 times, then so your 2 pi cube minus 48. Now integration by parts. So here x into integration of the minus cos 2x by 2 minus integration of derivation of x1 and minus cos 2x by 2 dx will come with limits 0 to pi by 2. Here also 0 to pi by 2. After integration of cos, sine will come, but whenever you apply the limit, this entire part will become 0. That's why, so here I is equal to here 2 pi cube minus into minus become plus 40. This will go 24 times. Now in the place of x write pi by 2. So this is here pi by 2 into cos 180 minus 1. Cos 180 minus 1. So that you will get 2 pi cube plus into minus minus 12 pi. So you take pi common. If you take pi common, so that you will get 2 pi square. 2 pi square minus 12. Minus, this can be written as, so this is here pi into 2 pi square. This can be written as plus of minus 12, we can write. Plus of minus 12. Then you compare this step and this step. This is the given condition. So pi tally. Now in the place of alpha 2 is there. Now in the place of beta minus 12 is there. So alpha value 2 and beta value is minus 12. So substitute these values in this condition. So that you will get the answer. Hi students, this is a question from 3D geometry. Image of the line, foot of the line, regularly they will ask in the JEE Mains problems. So if you prepare all previous years questions from 3D geometry, then you are going to answer this problem. So here first you draw the figure. So this is the line, and this one is the image. So here P point is given as 4 comma 4 comma 3, and Q is the image of the point P along with respect to this line. Okay, so here I am taking, he said already Q point is image of P point, that's why this is alpha, beta, gamma. Okay, so myself I am taking R is the midpoint of P and Q when Q is the image of P. Okay, so if you want to find out the point Q, first you find out the point R, which is foot of P. If you find out the R with the help of midpoint formula, then we can find out the point Q. So if you want to find out the image point Q, first you find out the R point. So here R is nothing but the foot of P. Okay, right? So then, just see that. You equate the, what is the given line here? Given line is x minus 1 by 2, y minus 2 by 1 is equal to z minus 1 by 1. You take this one as lambda. Then r coordinates are so equate this is equal to lambda. That means 2 lambda plus 1, comma 1 into lambda plus 2, comma lambda plus 1. R coordinates are this one. Okay, then so R point is this one. Then you find out the DRs, directions ratios of PR. That is this minus this, you will get 2 lambda minus 3. This minus this, lambda minus 2. This minus this, lambda minus 2. So that is so those are the DRs of the line PR. DRs of line PR. Later you see here, but PR line and the given line both are perpendicular. PR line and given line L both are perpendicular. Then use the condition, this into this plus this into this plus this into this is equal to 0. So this into this, that means 4 lambda minus 6 plus lambda minus 2 plus lambda minus 2 is equal to 0. So that you will get 2 lambda plus 4 lambda, 6 lambda. After this is equal to 10 now. The value of lambda is here 2 5 jar 2 3 jar. We got the lambda value. Lambda value we got it as 5 by 3. So the point R is, so R will become, the point R will become, substitute the lambda value 5 by 3. So 10 plus 3, 13 by 3. Okay, after that this is 3, so 3 plus 10, 13 by 3. Here 2 is then 1 second, this is the R value na? So 11 by 3. Yeah, after that this value will be 8 by 3. So I got the R point. So then after that, then we need to find out the point Q. R is the midpoint of P and Q. Okay, so R is the midpoint of PQ. Okay, so nothing but what here, midpoint. That means what? Alpha plus 4 by 2, comma beta plus 4 by 2, comma gamma plus 3 by 2. Gamma plus 3 by 2, midpoint. Then equate these values here. Equate those values here, so that you will get alpha plus 4 is equal to, this value will be 26 by 3. After that, beta plus 4 is equal to, this value will be 22 by 3. When we equate these things, gamma plus 3 is equal to 16 by 3. Later, we need to add all those things. Add this one. If you add all those things, alpha plus beta plus gamma, and 8 plus 3, 11 is equal to here. So by 3, so your LCM will be 3. So this value will be 30, 40, 50, 64. 64 by 3 will come. That's why alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 64 minus 33 by 3. Nothing but 31/3 is the answer for the value of alpha plus beta plus gamma. Yes, students, so this is the question from parabola conic section. ABCD is a trapezium whose vertices are lies on the parabola. First of all, first you draw the parabola. This is the parabola. Y square is equal to 4x parabola. Okay. Let the sides AD and BC of the trapeziums are parallel to y-axis. Okay. Yeah. See this one. I am taking two lines like that. One is AD. One is AD and BC. These both the sides of trapezium are parallel to y-axis. This is the y-axis. Okay. Later, and if the diagonal AC, this is the AC diagonal. This is the AC diagonal. AC diagonal length is given as 25/4, and the diagonal is passing through 1, 0. This is actually passing through 1, 0. Okay, first you join these things. This is the trapezium. This is the trapezium. So then they asked what is the area of total trapezium. So this total trapezium area we need to find out. Okay, right? First of all, what is the given parabola? Given parabola is y square is equal to 4x. So whenever you compare this equation with the general equation of parabola, that is y square is equal to 4ax, so a value will be 1. So for this parabola, focus is a comma 0. That means 1, 0. 1 comma, so this is 1, 0. Okay, so is given one point is given 1, 0. So 1, 0 is the focus of the given parabola. This AC diagonal is passing through the 1, 0. Nothing but AC diagonal is passing through the focus. If any line is passing through the focus, that is called actually focal chord. So AC is the focal chord, as well AC is the diagonal of the trapezium. Okay. So focal chord length formula we know. Length of focal chord formula A into T plus 1/T whole square. This is the formula for length of the focal chord. Which chord is passing through the focus, that's called focal chord. Okay, so focal chord length is given, that is what 25/4 is given in the problem. 25/4. A value already we got it as 1. That's why this is here T plus 1/T whole square. Nothing but what? T plus 1/T is equal to plus or minus 5/2. Plus or minus 5/2 will come. I am taking plus symbol. That means T square plus 1/T is equal to here 5/2. So if you do cross multiplication, 2T square minus 5T plus 2 is equal to 0. So if you find out the factors, you will get minus 4T minus T plus 2 is equal to 0. 2T common, you will get a T minus 2. Write the T minus 2 here, minus 1 common. So that I got it, the value of T is 1 is 2, T value is, another T value is 1/2 will come. Okay, right. Look all of you students. I am taking point C point as AT1 square comma 2AT1. Point C. Okay. So here what the, so this, you take this one as T1 and T2. Then what the point C? A value 1. So T1 square is 4. A value 1. So here 2 into 2, 4. So C point I got it. C vertex I got it. Then the A vertex is ATT square comma 2AT2. These are the end points of focal chords. Then here A is equal to A value 1. What the T2 value? 1/2. 1/2 whole square is 1/4. So here A value 1, T2 value is 1/2. 1/2 into 2, 1. Okay. But the point A is belongs to which quadrant? fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, x value is positive, y is negative. So this is minus 1. 1 by 4 comma minus 1. So I got a point also. I got a point and I got a C point. Then how to find out the B point now? Then B point is, look here. B point is, what is this one? This is actually vertical line, also called as this BC side of the trapezium. So this line equation actually what here? This line equation is x is equal to 4, because what the point C, 4 comma 4. So this line equation is x is equal to 4, which is vertical line. Then you solve this line equation and this curve, then you will get the point B. So here 4 comma, 4 comma, x value is 4 comma. So solve this parabola under this line equation. So in this parabola, in the place of x take 4 here. So y square is equal to 16. So y value plus or minus 4 will come. Y value plus or minus 4. But B value lies in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, y is negative. That's why this is minus 4 we should take. So B point is 4 comma minus 4. Yes, we got B point also, A point also, C point. Then we need to get point D. So D point is, look here. This also one of the vertical line. What the point A? A point is 1 by 4 comma minus 4. So this line equation is 1 by 4. X is equal to 1 by 4. X is equal to 1 by 4. Then solve this line equation and the parabola. Then you will get point D. So point D is 1 by 4 comma, right? So in the place of x 1 by 4, keep in the parabolic equation, so that you will get y square is equal to 1, y value plus or minus 1. Take 1 only, because D point is belongs to first quadrant, that's why 1 will come like this. So what is this? We got it. So then you find out the area of this triangle. Later you find out the area of this triangle. Both areas you have to find out individually, then you have to add them. If you add these both triangles areas, so that you will get the total trapezium area will come. Okay, so you know how to find out the area of this triangle whenever you know 3 vertices. So okay, so area of triangle, first of all, area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC. So here of mod, what the A point here? A point is 1 by 4 minus 1. B point is 4 comma minus 4, like that. And the point C is 4 comma 4 and 1 1 1 that. Then you find out this one. So something area will come. So here one area answer will come. Similarly, you find out the area of triangle. Area of triangle ADC also. ADC, that means of mod A. What the A point here? A point is 1 by 4 minus 1. D point is 1 by 4 plus 1. Okay, and the point C is 4 4. Then 1 1 1. Find out the area of this. Something you will get A2. Add these both areas. So this triangle area, if you add, then you will get the total trapezium area will come. So thank you, one and all.